Solve the differential equation sin theta dr over d theta is equal to -1 minus 2r cosine theta. So actually, we can rewrite this in a first order linear DE form, right? Particularly in R. Linear DE, first order linear DE in R. Because if we have the form dr over d theta, excuse me, sorry, plus p of theta r is equal to q of theta, it is a first order linear DE in R. So how can we transform this into this form? By manipulating the equation. We can multiply both sides of the equation by what? So since we want dr over d theta to have a coefficient of 1, we can eliminate this sine theta by multiplying both sides by 1 over sine theta. Okay, so if we multiply both sides by 1 over sine theta, we'll have sine theta dr over d theta times 1 over sine theta. So you'll cancel out the sine theta. We just have dr over d theta. Then equals -1 times 1 over sine theta, that's -1 over sine theta. And then -2r cosine theta times 1 over sine theta, we have -2r cosine theta over sine theta. So what we just need to do is to transpose this -2r cosine theta over sine theta to the left. So we'll have dr over d theta. So from negative, transpose it to the left, it will become positive 2r cosine theta over sine theta, then equal to -1 over sine theta. Okay? Or if you want to apply identity here, cosine theta over sine theta is cotangent theta. So dr over d theta plus 2r cotangent theta equals -1 over sine theta. So if we pattern this given DE to this form, so this will be the dr over d theta. This will be the r. Therefore, what is the p of theta? The function of theta multiplied by r. It is the 2 cotangent theta, right? Because it is the function multiplied by r. So the p of theta is 2 cotangent theta. And for the q of theta, on the right side is -1 over sine theta. So -1 over sine theta. So how do we solve first order linear DE? We will need to find the integrating factor. Integrating factor, or IF for short. So what is the formula for integrating factor? IF is equal to e raised to the integral of p theta d theta. So since we already have identified the p of theta to cotangent theta, we substitute here e raised to the integral of p of theta, that's 2 cotangent theta d theta. So we have e raised to the integral of, so since 2 is just a constant, we put it in front of the integral. So 2 integral of cotangent theta d theta. So e raised to 2 integral of cotangent theta, that's a standard integral formula, right? It's equal to ln of sine theta. And then from power rule for logarithm, n ln x is equal to ln x to the n. We make this coefficient 2 become the exponent of the sine, the expression inside the ln. So e raised to ln of sine squared theta. And then by inverse property of base e and ln, if we have e raised to ln x, it's equal to x. So you just cancel this e raised to ln. Therefore, we just have the absolute value of sine squared theta. Or we can just omit the absolute value. The important, what's important here is just the main function sine squared theta. So this is the integrating factor. So if we have found already the integrating factor, we can now write the general solution. So the general solution for FOLDE is, so whatever is your dependent variable, the r, right? The variable on the numerator in the derivative notation. So you write r, multiply it by the integrating factor, then equal to the integral of the q of theta times the integrating factor d theta plus c. So we just substitute the integrating factor. We have r, if is sine squared theta equal to the integral of q of theta, which is negative 1 over sine theta, times the integrating factor sine squared theta d theta plus c. So let's continue here. R sine squared theta is equal to the integral. So we put this negative in front, the integral in front of the integral. So negative integral of 1 over sine theta times sine squared theta. So you'll cancel the sine theta here. Then the sine squared theta becomes sine theta to the first, or simply sine theta d theta plus c. So therefore, we have r sine squared theta is equal to the negative integral of sine d theta. So it's a standard integral formula already. The integral of sine theta is negative cosine theta plus c. So we have r sine squared theta equals negative of negative cosine theta, positive cosine theta plus c. So this is the answer. Or if you want to solve for r explicitly in terms of theta, you can divide both sides by sine squared. So cancel out the sine squared. You'll have r is equal to, if you want to distribute the sine squared, cosine theta over sine squared theta plus c over sine squared theta. If you want to apply identity, you will have cosine theta over sine theta times 1 over sine theta plus, here, applying reciprocal identity, 1 over sine squared theta is equal to cosecant squared theta. And cosine theta over sine theta is equal to cotangent theta. 1 over sine theta is cosecant theta plus c cosecant squared theta. So this is the general solution if you solve for r explicitly in terms of theta.